Craving something sweet but want to stay healthy? Well, did you know you can make a delicious chocolate mousse cake just with 2 ingredients? Sounds impossible, right? Well, today I am sharing the ultimate guilt-free dessert that will blow your taste buds away. Trust me, you don't wanna miss it. Are you seeing this? It's a magic on a plate, and you can make it just in few minutes. Let's dive in. Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to Diashat, California. Do you remember I told you just need 2 ingredients to make this delicious recipe? Yes, here are the ingredients. We need 4 apples and dark chocolate chips. I took about 200 grams. I know. You are thinking, 2 ingredients? How's that even a cake? Trust the process, friends. This cake is a pure kitchen magic. At first, peel and core your apples. Is it really good to eat an apple every day? Yes, they are rich in fiber and antioxidants. Eating them is linked to lower chance of getting many chronic conditions, including diabetes, heart disease, and even cancer. But when you eat apple, you should not peel it because the skin contains a significant amount of nutrients like fiber, vitamins A, C, K, and antioxidants. Because of today's dessert, I had to peel it. Now I am going to cut them into chunks for easy cooking. I am placing them in cold water to prevent the browning. Now it's time to boil them in hot water for 5 to 6 minutes or until they become tender and soft. Did you know what happened before? When first time I tried this recipe, I boiled the apple for way too long and the whole kitchen started smelling like apple sauna. But it turned out amazing at the end. Kitchen experiments are like life. A little messy, but worth it. Now drain the apples and let them cool for a few minutes before blending them into a smooth puree. Now I am going to keep my bowl of dark chocolate chips inside that hot water. This heat will melt the chocolate automatically. While the chocolate is melting beautifully, let's make the apple puree. It's ready now. Let me pour it in a bowl. Now, here is where the magic truly happens. As your warm apple puree waits, it's time to invite the dark chocolate chips into the mix. Watch as they melt into velvety perfection, turning the puree into a silky, luscious chocolate dream. The aroma, oh wow! Rich, decadent, and slightly fruity with that unmistakable bittersweet chocolate note. It's the kind of scent that wraps around you like a warm hug, reminding you of cozy evenings by the fireplace. Just look at that silky texture as it blends together. Smooth, glossy, and utterly irresistible. Isn't it? Now it's time to pour it into the prepare mold. It flows like liquid chocolate gold, tempting you to dive right in with a spoon. But patience, my friends, patience. We are creating a perfection here. Now it's time to pop it into the freezer for about 4 hours or until it sets perfectly. Friends, my chocolate mousse is chilling inside the freezer. It will take 4 to 5 hours to set, and we have to take Eden for his annual checkup and vaccination. So I thought of sharing that with you also. You're very welcome to join us. We reached to Eden's hospital. Come with me, let me show you what's inside. It's called Banfield Pet Hospital. We already checked in and waiting for the nurse. She will come and take Eden inside. Parents are not allowed inside. Everything is done, now we are heading back home. Eden deserves a treat after the shots. And I always make healthy treat for him. This is a yogurt and blueberry treat. And Eden loves it. Eden is happy now. And here comes the moment we have all been waiting for. Demoulding this beauty. Oh my gosh, it's always so difficult to wait. But trust me, it's worth every second. Let's dust it with a touch of unsweetened cocoa powder for that elegant finish. Are you a fan of dark chocolate like me? Alright, time to slice in. This part is pure joy. Look at that clean, perfect cut. Oh wow, check out the texture. So airy yet rich. Just melting into itself like a dream. Yum! You can already tell how good this is going to be. And now the best part. Tasting the cake. So good. Let me tell you, this is so moist, like velvety texture, rich and chocolatey. You won't believe that it is made up with only 2 ingredients. Try it. Don't judge me, guys. This is called happiness. I almost finished the full slice in front of the camera. Too good. Must try. If you try this recipe, I want to hear all about it. Please drop a comment below. Let me know how it went. And if you are loving these easy, healthy and delicious dessert ideas, hit that like button, subscribe and ring that bell icon so you never miss a delicious moment. And also share it with your dessert loving friends. Don't make it alone. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Remember, you can satisfy your sweet cravings without sacrificing health or taste.
কি হলো তুমি ওখানে জিনিসের উপর নিচে করে দিলে কি হলো
কি হয়েছে মামা? কিছু হয়নি।
কি হলো এদিকে দাঁড়াও
If you like this recipe, I highly recommend you to watch this recipe next.